Good morning, all my fellow tree lovers. I have never made a video of a church. This is my first one. And it gives me an idea because everywhere I go, I see unusual churches. And I think it's worth taking the time to do a little expose here because this is a beautiful church. It's First Presbyterian. First of all, this is the entrance, and there's a double row of really beautiful royal palms lining the entrance. And that is like, wow, wow, wow. Super beautiful. Now take a look at this church. The steeple. Look at that steeple, how high it is. And I don't know what you call this entryway. It looks kind of like a rotunda, which I think means round. Not actually sure about that, but just a beautiful church. The really great thing about this is it's 2 blocks from the Atlantic Ocean. I'm in Delray Beach, Florida, by the way. So there you go, an unusual video from Joel Mizell at the Tree Planters. Have a good day.